August is all about making our lives easier. And this means even, making food choices easier, making healthy food easier. So one of my favorite things to do, especially in the summer, is to batch cook. And like batching activities is nothing new. But in terms of cooking, it makes things so much easier. So one day a week, I'll sit down and prep 3 or 4 big salads, right? And this could be, so anything that'll stand up a little bit, like lettuce salad is not gonna work out because the lettuce gets wilty if it's got dressing on it for more than a day, right? It starts to turn gross. But if you do a chopped salad with like cubed tomatoes or cubed whatever, zucchinis or whatever. So I have 3 or 4 recipes that I'll do every week, different salads every week, but 3 or 4 reliables that I know my family loves, we will all eat, and I make them in giant batches in the fridge, right? So they're always there. I always have those as an option. We usually make a big pot of soup as well, right? And it's very often just like throw whatever chicken or whatever into a pot with a bunch of veg and soup, right? Like, ta-da, magic. And I'll rotate through foods this way, right? So that if I want some variety, if I want something that's not in my pre-made foods, I'll make something really simple, right? Throw some kebabs on the barbecue, or throw a little bit of, like drumsticks on the barbecue or whatever. But the batch cooking is already there. It's already done. It's healthy food, right? Like one of those salads can be a big fruit salad. Like just use what's fresh, use what you love, use what your family will eat, and pre-make it so that you don't have to do that all the time, every day, every week. Even with breakfasts, I don't pre-cook breakfasts, but I have literally 3 go-tos, right? Like one is gluten-free oatmeal, and I'll add fresh fruit or whatever. One is a green smoothie, which is essentially a vanilla protein smoothie with spinach in it, which my whole family likes, which is awesome. And one is cloud eggs. That's sort of like, it's Saturday, we're taking our time, we're gonna have a nice breakfast, we'll make cloud eggs. Great. But yeah, food, like just take even food choices off the table, because every choice you make every day requires energy, it requires effort. So just make fewer choices, pre-make stuff, pre-do stuff. When you do it in a batch, it goes quickly, it goes easily, and it's healthy food, right? You're still getting healthy food. You're not reaching for a bag of chips, you're reaching for a giant bowl of gorgeous fruit salad. What could be better? Okay, bye.